Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Charlotte and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. This stunning Volkswagen T-ROC TSI SE 115 PS does come in the crisp pure white exterior with a contrasting black roof for extra style. It does come with just one previous owner and just less than 18,000 miles covered in an exceptional condition. This 2020 model is the ideal spacious upgrade for any individuals or families with plenty of top features all round, including your LED automatic headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do also have your 17-inch alloys along with your parking sensors and a rear view camera for enhanced parking. You do also have your sleek black power folding and heated door mirrors for added protection along with your black roof rails. Moving into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to house all your travel plans or day-to-day items. Moving into your rear interior, it is a full cloth finish for further comfort all round with your pull down armrests and central climate vents. Once inside your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for driver convenience with access to your central touch display screen to provide a full entertainment all round with access to your app connect, along with your two front cloth seats, once again very comfortable. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your buttons on your steering wheel alongside access to your adaptive cruise control, altering your speed accordingly, keeping you a safe distance, along with your options to navigate around your cockpit screen and display vital car information. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained as it does work off your DAB. However, you do have your Bluetooth connection as well, alongside your app connect that does include your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink for quick access to vital car apps. To keep the vehicle in top check, you do have all your vital vehicle information, including your driving data and vehicle status, so this is ideal on those longer journeys. And to keep the correct temperature throughout the vehicle, you do have your dual climate control, which you can sync or unsync, keeping both front travelling passengers happy. And once you do pop the car into reverse, it will activate your rear view camera, making those tighter spots a breeze for getting in and out. You do also have your main climate dials located just below with your sync option once again, followed by your handy power outlets along with your two cup holders and plenty of storage below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.